Okay, hi everyone. Let's go to the another area, which is area 2, and my one of my favorite area, which is browse area. So browse area, which will tell you in the browse section the best next hop. So if you're looking for a new switch or a router in the data center, or in service provider backbone, or in cloud network, you can go to the best next hop. It is a single place where you can see Arista, Cisco, Juniper, and Nvidia, all the switches platform. So we'll cover the today 7816LR3 from Arista. Now, if you're running a large scale data center, cloud network, or service provider backbone, you need a spine switch that won't become a bottleneck. Then this Arista 7800R3 series have built for exactly that. Now, if on this product vendor page, basically how useful this Areazero is, you don't need to go to multiple Google links. Within a single roof, it will tell you, okay, airflow front to rear, 40 gig USFP rack unit, and all those details. It supports line card capacity and 100 gig USFP, so it gives you all those detail under a single umbrella. However, if you want to know more information, you can go to the vendor product page. It's directly here. Now sometime, you wanted to go quickly and search and compare with other vendor, or you wanted to you just know the 93180, let's suppose LCEX or FX3, right? So you click here, and you can land it to the product vendor page here itself. So since it's downloaded the datasheet, um, but it will tell you the features and key takeaways. Now let's go back to the Arista 7800 series of switches, which is here. Right. So this switch is come with four chassis size, 4, 8, 12, and 16 slot chassis. Now 16 slot chassis at its peaks provide 460 terabytes per second of switch capacity, which is amazing. With this capacity of this, like, we are getting this much of capacity. Now not only this, it also provide you a deep buffer virtual output, VOQ, if you heard of VOQ. Basically, it means in practices it eliminates head of line blocking, absorb microburst gracefully, right, and deliver consistent low latency, even though when the traffic loads is too high, right? So that's the VOQ. It eliminates the head of line blocking for the switches. Now each line cards, these are the different line cards. Each line cards carries up to 24 gigabytes of intelligent deep buffer memory, combined with FlexRoute engine. It can be handled full internet routing table, right? So over 15 millions IPv4 route without breaking anything, right? So that's so amazing, and it's basically very good for a service provide vendor. The line card also supports built-in MACsec, for, let's suppose, for the example line card, right? It has built-in MACsec, IPsec, and VXLANsec. Basically, many other advanced level of security it supports. Now, the amazing thing about the Arista is that it runs Arista EOS, a single binary, truly modular network operating system. Right? EOS give us rich streaming telemetry, Python, and open config programmability. Um, now it can also integrate natively with CloudVision. If you familiar with the Arista CloudVision, in this switches can be integrated with the CloudVision. Now Arista 7800R3 is a kind of platform you invest in once and scale for years, right? So this is the full data sheet here, and basically if you go to the browse section of Areazero, this is where you will find the 7816LR3 series of switches. Thank you.